Hi, my name is Nicole Chaora, and I'm an international student from Zimbabwe. I'm currently in the Dartmouth MEM program, which is the Masters in Engineering Management program. And this summer, I had the privilege to intern at Diamond Foods, LLC in California. I was looking for an internship where I would be able to learn from the people that I was interning for, not just technically, but also organization structure, how it works, how it feels to be in the workplace. And I wanted to be able to be a part of something where I could feel and measure my impact within the organization. And so that led me to Diamond Foods, primarily because I did a lot of networking and talking to lots of alumni that I found through the MEM program, and who were able to give me great insight and guidance into what kind of internship I should look for and how to sort of structure my internship strategy. Aside from working on my specific project, was also day-to-day management of different factors that were happening within the organization. So for example, I could come in at 8 a.m. and I have a set plan to say, today I'm going to do some research on some energy opportunities for the company and for the organization. I'm going to talk to X, Y, and Z vendors about different things that I need to think about in terms of gas and electricity, which really helped me build up my own knowledge base about the energy sector. I got to also work on a lot of small niche projects, kind of building different Excel models and kind of figuring out ways to help them track their energy usage a lot easier than they currently were at the time. And so whilst I was working on this big project and had lots of day-to-day tasks, I also had a lot of little surprises throughout my day, which I found very engaging and very interesting. The MEM program, it really set me up for success. And I don't say that lightly. I know exactly what kind of skill set I came in with when I came into the MEM. And coming out of the MEM, at least going into my internship, there were a lot of key courses that I took. I took a data analytics course, I took accounting and finance, which are all built into the curriculum. But then a lot of the electives I also took, like negotiations through the Tuck School of Business, really helped me solidify my skill set. So walking into my internship, there were a lot of areas that I didn't realize the MEM had so heavily prepared me for. When it came to negotiating prices with vendors, or when it came to negotiating with my boss about an idea that I had, or kind of presenting data and learning how to give presentations in a way that's translatable to anyone working in corporate. It was such a valuable skill set for me that I didn't have before the MEM program. And so for me, I would say the MEM program really heavily equipped me for a lot of the work that I did. And I'm grateful for that.